Good morning, Sauhegan, and welcome to another Screencastify video. Today we'll be looking at polynomial graphs and their end behavior and see if we can come up with any generalizations. So first, let's look at an odd exponent. So an odd exponent could be a 1. It could be a cubic. So remember, this is a linear function with degree 1 going through the origin. This is a degree 3 going through the origin. And this is a degree 3, having 3 x-intercepts, one at 0, one at 1, and one at -1. And what you want to recognize here is that these odd exponents are going up from left to right when they are positive. So they're going up from left to right. Let's see what happens now when I change that to a negative. So see what happens now is that when it is a negative in front, our end behavior goes down from left to right. So it's important here to recognize that when we are going to graph these, we need to look at the leading coefficient to determine whether or not it's going to go up from left to right or down from left to right. So let's get rid of those graphs and now look at even. So we want to see if even all behave the same way. So first let's look at a quadratic. Notice that it starts high and ends high. Here's a quadratic with an x-intercept at 2 and -2. Notice that they do start high and end high. Here is a quartic going through the origin. And here's a quartic with x-intercepts at 0, -1, 1, and 2. So our takeaway here is for you to notice that when you have an even positive degree, that they start high or start up and end up. So any even degree is going to do exactly that. So will we just flip, and will it be the same when our coefficient is negative? Oops, forgot one. Now you can see that all the graphs did indeed change the way we thought they might. And if I have a negative, an even with a negative coefficient, we start low and end low. So hopefully this will help you now moving forward with graphing. Have a tremendous day. I hope that you are all doing well and that when the sun is out, you make some time to get outside. Let's go, Sabres.